pollute rivers, poison the air, and the worst of all, we have spread plastic.
Enough is enough. Let's protect the earth. Plant a tree, burn the pack. Don't be lazy, don't be mad. Save water, save life. No pollution, no strife.